There are steps that have to be taken by the teacher to be able to refer a student for special education or special help. You need to have a written documentation of the steps your school and/or program will take to refer a student for extra help. Teachers need to sit down with their teacher aides, ECS's, early childhood specialist, and their intervention team, and/or principal or director of the program to make this written documentation complete. The teacher needs to refer to this documentation every time they see a special need for a child and need extra help. Every school and program is different, but the steps are usually followed as recognition. Recognizing what is going on with the child and knowing that that child needs extra help. Document what you see. Evaluate. Observe the student more closely and adapt to the child's needs. If that is not working, then you need to seek out special help. You write out a referral for that child to get evaluated by a special education teacher, speech therapist, occupational therapist, or whoever the child needs help with. You give your assessment scores to the special education teacher or therapist for them to take the next step on for their own evaluation. But remember, the parent needs to be notified that this is all happening and sit down and have a meeting or talk to them on the phone or email and let them know that their child needs some help and you are there to help them.